Hello everyone! In today's video, I will be reviewing Jeff Gorvette and his crew chief, John Lassetyre. So, here we go. First off, here's Jeff Gorvette. Now, he's obviously voiced by a new NASCAR driver, Jeff Gordon. Obviously Gorvette, obviously Gordon Corvette, which is what car he is, it's Gorvette. So, well done Pixar. Then on the bottom, he ain't really got anything. Then, he also has colours of the American flag with the stars. Obviously number 24, which I think was it? I think it was originally Jeff Gordon's number, and then it became Chase Elliott's. And obviously all in all pretty. He's got a little hood, he's got little vents on the side of his bonnet, as you can see. Then round to the back, well, obviously the Corvette logo at the top, the 4 brake lights, and number 24, metal American flag, which is obviously the same nationality as Lightning McQueen. They're powered by all in all, and well, you get the fuel they use. Next up, John Lassetyre, who obviously based on John Lassetyre, who directed the film. And obviously on the side, he's still obviously got the American flag and American flag and obviously WGP and whatever. That's pretty much all he has on it. And well, obviously they were first released in 2011, obviously in a 2-pack. And well, when I got mine, it said it was a exclusive to Kmart, which is obviously like I don't know, Asda. This Asda and Walmart, technically more similar. You name it. And then obviously all gone through a spoiler. And just for comparison, here's another yellow or Grand Prix racer, Miguel Camino. Now, yeah, here we go. Here are those two side by side. And now here's Jeff and John Lassetyre. And just in case you're interested, here's again the side of Jeff. Now John. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.